maZimbabweans aramba kuita wafa wanaka mushure mekushaika kweZimbabwe ambassador to Mozambique and Eswatini Mr. Victor Matemadanda. Vamwe vari kuti mukomana ngaende anotemera mamwe matanda ikoko nesuwo tichatevera. Welcome back to channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Inguva inorwadza kumhuri yekwaMatematanda neshamwari dzavo ikoko, asi veruzhinji rweZimbabwe vati aiwa isusu taramba kuti tijoine munyaya iye. Teddy Hope Vanyora Ivo vakati, I have just heard that the Zimbabwean ambassador to Mozambique, Mr. Victor Matemadanda, has died. He was a man who lived a colorful and complex life, at times standing with the people and at other times pursuing the interests of the regime when it suited him. Such is often the nature of Zimbabwean politics. Yet when people pass away, our first duty is to mourn them and to reflect on the lives that they lived. In most cases, we remember those moments, actions or words that resonated most deeply with us. For me, pane interview yavakaita just a few years ago, it was the point at which I took particular notice of Mr. Matemadanda as a politician, political activist, veteran, and influential figure within ZANU-PF. In it, he spoke about the issues that resonated with me and with millions other Zimbabweans. The tragedy, however, is that when his faction eventually gained control of the government, it went on to do the very opposite of what he was advocating pa interview yavaitaura kuti isusu team 2017 tichauya tigoita bring about a lot of changes. That contradiction remains one of the enduring lessons of Zimbabwean politics. It is an interview that every Zimbabwe should listen to and reflect upon. May his soul rest in peace. My sincere condolences to his family, friends, and all those who knew and loved him.
Corruption yautaura nezvayo hausi kutaura corruption yakaita dikidikika, uri kutaura nezve corruption yakaita kuti 15 billion iinde ika-acknowledgewa nemutungamiriri wenyika kuti 15 billion yainda.
Hamusitomboziva kuti 15 billion
hatina, hapana veteran anoita mupurisa wenyika wakangodero, ndosaka wakaona tichibuda mujere kuti sungai vanhu vakaba mari, izvozvo zvinokusungisa izvozvo.
Saka wakabama muri kuvazi here
mutemo
malikeges wa akakonzerwa nei vanhu vanoda kuziva.
Mutemo unoadministrwa nevanoadministra, ende unozva kuti mutemo haubvumiri kuti uti pachivanhu toziva kuti kune varoi but havataurwi muZimbabwe, ndo zviri pamutemo. Saka mbavha haisi mbavha kusvika yanzi najaji kana namajistrate imbavha.
Saka muZANU-PF kune varoi
ko kana iwo uchiti muchitonga pachishayikwa 15 billion unofunga kuti chi? Uri kufunga kuti vanhu vekuMozambique vakazopa mari iyo? Uri kufunga kuti vanhu vekuChina vekupi?
Okay, saka muri kuti chi kunyika?
Tiri kuti vanhu ngavatsvake, they've got a right, because this 15 billion is not for particular individuals. It is for Zimbabwe. And nyaya inoitika ndeyekuti nyika yedu iri kukokotiwa pasi, vanhu vachifunga kuti ndezve ZANU-PF. As is ZANU-PF, this is Zimbabwe. And people should stand up and say, this is enough, enough is enough. At this war, to grumble chindrambe. But kana mukataura mchiti, zvindezve mawo veterans, ndezve ZANU-PF. Vanoita matumbu vanongoramba vachita matumbu, vanongoramba vachidi vachiba, because you cannot have 15 billion missing and no investigation, no inquiry as acknowledgement.
Interview yakaitwa vachiri secretary general wemahoveti ndokuba pakazopindiwa neteam 2017 vakabva vangoitiwa ambassador. Zvichirwadza zvichidaro, vamwewo mukomatarisai veZimbabweans in South Africa vati ivo good news, Victor Matemadanda wafa. Good riddance to a tyrant stool. The regime has one less enabler to do its dirty work. In a Sunday morning announcement that likely sparked more sighs of relief than tears of sorrow across Zimbabwe, the Minister of Information Chief Propagandist Nick Mangwana confirmed that Victor Matemadanda, Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique and Eswatini, croaked last night. While Mangwana rushed to X, formerly Twitter, to whine about a deeply saddening loss and offer scripted condolences to his boss Emerson, the rest of the nation remembers Matemadanda for exactly what he was, a ruthless political mercenary who traded his soul to keep a dictator in power, the chief puppet of the Second Republic. Before Mnangagwa shipped him off to Maputo to get him out of the way of Harare's internal factional knife fights, Matema Danda was ultimately regime-hated man. As the ZANU-PF political commissar, his entire job description was to silence anyone with a spine. When genuine liberation heroes like Blessed Bombshell Geza stood up to call out Mnangagwa's corrupt family-run business disguised as a government, it was Matema Danda who led the charge to purge, threaten, and isolate them. He weaponized the War Veterans Association, turning what should have been a proud legacy into a personal security guard for presidency. While true comrades were hounded in exile or left to die in poverty, Matema Danda was rewarded with a cushy diplomatic post, fed state benefits, and a title did not deserve. Mnangagwa's inner circle shrinks. Mnangagwa's statements note that Matema Danda represented Mnangagwa with dedication. Translation: he was obedient until the very end. He defended the indefensible, justified the looting of Zimbabwe's resources, and happily smiled for the cameras while the citizens he claimed to liberate suffered under an engineered economic collapse. Matema Danda's death leaves Mnangagwa with one less loyal person on the leash. But it changes nothing for the millions of Zimbabwe still trapped under the regime's boot. He lived as an oppressor's puppet, died in the comfort of a foreign diplomatic estate, and leaves behind a legacy defined entirely for betrayal, greed, and subservience to a failing dictatorship. History will not be kind to him, and the people of Zimbabwe certainly will not miss him. So ndo mashoko aya ari kubva kuna mukoma Tare. Let's not celebrate death. Nde vamwe vari kuti aiwa guys, in our culture and ethos we don't do that. Differences of political opinions should not make us lose ourselves. The fabric that binds us, a people, Hunu, Ubuntu. Guys, may his soul rest in peace. At the end of the day, he too was human, and we all may make mistakes. No one is perfect. May he find grace before his maker. May the Lord comfort his friends and family in this difficult time. Vana veZANU-PF vari kuti isusu tine tribute yedu yatikuda kunyorera ambassador Victor Matema Danda. Vari kuti it is with profound sorrow that we mourn the passing of Victor Matema Danda, a distinguished liberation war veteran, statesman, diplomat, and patriot who dedicated his life to the service of Zimbabwe and Southern Africa. Ambassador Matema Danda was a fearless son of the soil whose journey from the battlefields of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle to the corridors of diplomacy exemplified courage, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to his nation. As a liberation war veteran, he remained steadfast in defending the ideals for which many sacrificed their lives during the struggle for independence. He became one of the most outspoken voices among war veterans, courageously challenging injustices and speaking truth to power during some Zimbabwe's most defining political moments. His role among war veterans was instrumental in the events that culminated in the end of the former President Robert Mugabe's long rule in 2017. As Secretary General of the War Veterans Association, he publicly declared that the relationship between war veterans and Mugabe had broken down and played a visible role in the movement that called for political change. Beyond politics, Ambassador Matema Danda served his country with distinction as Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique and was also accredited to Eswatini, where he worked tirelessly to strengthen diplomatic relations, regional cooperation, and friendship among the people of Southern Africa. His diplomatic service reflected his enduring belief in dialogue, unity, and development. Those who knew him remember a man of courage, conviction, and resilience. He was never afraid to stand for what he believed was right. Even when doing so attracted criticism or personal risk, his voice became synonymous with defiance against complacency and a call for accountability in public leadership. As we bid farewell to Ambassador Victor Matema Danda, we honor a freedom fighter who served his country both in war and in peace, a leader who inspired many through his boldness, and a diplomat who carried Zimbabwe's flag with pride across the region. May his legacy of patriotism, courage, and service continue to inspire future generations. Rest in peace, Ambassador Victor Matemadanda. A warrior may rest, but the values he fought for endure forever. May his soul rest in peace. So ndevamwe avo vakati vedweka, this man was not that evil for me, did not everyone and my flaws ake. And what is important is to reflect on the good that he did. Rest in peace, Ambassador.